Hi, welcome to the last section of this course, Jupyter and Big Data. Big data is the topic on everyone's mind. I thought it would be good to see what can be done with big data in Jupyter. An up-and-coming language for dealing with large datasets is Spark. Spark is an open-source big data processing framework. Spark can run over Hadoop, in the cloud, or standalone. We can use Spark coding in Jupyter, much like the other languages we have seen. The section will demonstrate the following topics. Let's move on to the first video of this section, Apache Spark. In this video, we will learn how to install Spark in Mac and Windows. One of the tools we will be using is Apache Spark. Spark is an open-source toolset for cluster computing. While we will not be using a cluster, the typical usage for Spark is a larger set of machines or cluster that operates in parallel to analyze a big data set. An installation guide is available at this website. In particular, you will need to add two settings to your Bash profile: Spark Home and PySpark. Submit args.spark_home. Spark Home is the directory where the software is installed. PySpark_submit_args sets the number of cores to use in the local cluster. Mac installation. To install, we download the latest TGZ file from the Spark download page at this website. Unpack the TGZ file and move the unpacked directory to our Applications folder. Spark relies on Scala's availability. We install Scala in the Sharing and Converting Jupyter Notebook section. Open a command line window to the Spark directory and run this command. It is already installed. Now set the configuration for Spark for Mac in your .bash_profile file. You should now be able to run this command from inside your Spark directory, successfully opening a command line window in Spark. It looks something like this. The version might differ from the one which is available on the screen. You can enter quit to exit. Now when we run our notebook when using a Python kernel, we can access Spark. Windows installation. We have already installed Python as part of the Jupyter installation much earlier in this video. We need to download and install the latest Spark version from this site. Unpack the TGZ file. It may take some time. Create the folder name as Spark in the local disk. Now move the resulting directory to the Spark directory. Now you need to set up environment variables for all of these. You can start Jupyter using the PySpark command. It will take some time to set up the environment variables. Good job! We have successfully installed Spark in Mac and Windows.